Hi there, welcome to our home. Tonight you're going to see us make Vietnamese Spring Rolls, Guai Khung. Some of our ingredients that we've already done prep work on are, you have vegetables here, we have carrots, we have mint leaves, we have basil leaves, and we have one that I can't pronounce, to be honest. It's a Vietnamese herb. It's kind of green and purple. You'll find it at a 99 Ranch Market or various Asian grocery stores. So we've cut all those up, washed them of course. We also have rice noodles right here. I have some cilantro over here. Here we've boiled some pork tenderloin, and it doesn't necessarily have to be pork. It could be chicken. It could be a lot of different things. It could be tofu. If you're a vegetarian, you wouldn't have to have meat. You can do it a couple different ways. We have some cut up shrimp right here. This is rice paper. This is what everything goes inside. And what we do is we put this rice paper in some warm water, get it moist, and then let it dry. And that softens it up and allows us to work with it. So we just set this out here, put it back on the plate, and we also have a couple sauces, some dipping sauces you'll see right here. I've already tried one and they're very good. Here's the finished product, the dipping sauce right here, and along with some chili sauce, depending on how hot you like it. Okay, so there are other sauces you can use as well. You could use kind of like a sweet sauce. You could go that route. This is more of like a kind of a peanut sauce kind of a deal. Also, we've squeezed some lemon in it, depending on the acidity that you're after. Okay. Now this is dry, pretty dry, and it's soft, so I can go ahead and start. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rice noodles in here. This will give us kind of the base of the spring roll. There's no rules here. You can kind of do whatever you want, which makes it fun. And you can have a table where you have 4 or 5 people sitting around, get one of those big spinning deals, and everybody can have fun with it. Next, I'll put in some of these herbs right on top of that. I like to grab a couple, 2 or 3 of these, put that right over the top. And then I'll throw some mint leaves in. And let me see if I can find some basil in here. There we go. Nope. Here's a basil. We'll put that right on top of there as well. Then I'm gonna add some pork right along here. All we did was boil the pork. Nothing special. So it's it's fairly healthy. It's just it's boiled pork, and also we have the shrimp that's going to go on top. You'll see that I've taken the shrimp and cut it in half. It makes it easier to lay it down on there. We've experimented with that a little bit and find that's the best way to do it. Now, these carrots also can go on top, right on top of that, and you'll notice on the finished product already, you can kind of see the color peeking through there. I kind of like that. Now here's the key. We're going to go into the wrapping stage now. This is where people can get confused. So far it's been pretty easy. We haven't had to do much. So you grab the back of it and pull it all the way over the top. Kind of tuck your fingers in here and pull down on it. And then you roll it over once. And here's the key. You don't want the stuff to come out the ends. So you grab this and you fold it over. Same thing over here. One more time. One more fold. And wrap it up. There you go. It's done. So, that whole process took, I don't know, maybe about a minute, 2 minutes, something like that. And then, the nice part about it is, then you just get to dip it in the sauce and take a bite. Very good. Very healthy way to eat. Again, for the vegetarians out there, you can skip the pork. In fact, maybe if you're more carb conscious, you can also skip out on the rice noodles. You don't have to do rice noodles. You could load this up a lot more with lettuce. You could use lettuce, more herbs, and skip the rice noodles altogether. We do that sometimes too. But for this one, it kind of beefs it up a little bit for the camera so everybody can see what this thing really looks like. Most Vietnamese restaurants you go in around town, you'll see they'll have the rice noodles in there. So there's a lot of variations. You can have fun with it. You can experiment with it. And that's about it. But again, the best part about it for me is the finished product and having a bite. Thank you so much.